This is the ultimate snack. See that drool right there? It's a cheesy in meats. Oh my goodness. It's your best day. Here you go. Oh, isn't that glorious? Gertie, would you like meats in a cheesy? Oh, isn't this glorious? Here you go. Wasn't that wonderful? Was that not worth every second waiting?